Hey guys, this is Vanessa. I just want to check in with you. It's week 2 now of our health class, and there are a few things I would like to review and mention to help keep you guys on course. The first thing that I want to mention is that we have a preventable disease project coming up here. It starts this week and then it's due next week. I'm actually going to change the due date to next Wednesday, which is the day before Thanksgiving break, I believe. So heads up on that. The first thing I want to mention is that everybody needs to go to that Preventable Disease Project intro, which you can see here is week 2, assignment 4. Click on that. And you need to choose a topic that you're going to research as far as preventable diseases go. So you can see, looking at the screen here, that a few of them have already been taken. We have heart disease, lung cancer, HPV, and stroke taken, and somebody has actually already checked in with me and given me a preventable disease of their choice, and that got the okay. So everybody who hasn't done this yet, you can see you have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the flu, type 2 diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, and hepatitis C. Osteoporosis, or something else of your choice that's appropriate that you can choose as topics. This is just the first step for the project. The next step will be going back to week 2 here, is the actual preventable disease project. So if you click on that, it's week 2, assignment 6. This has a very detailed breakdown of what you need to include in your project. So the product is a poster or an informational pamphlet. Some basic guidelines are that it needs to be neat and organized, and of course easy to understand. I really value creativity and making it interesting and visually appealing. It should be clear, it should be detailed, and you want to include sources for this project. Where did you get your information? Please remember that Google is not a source. Wikipedia could be one of several sources, but shouldn't be a primary source. It says here Tuesday, November 13th, but I'm going to make that due. I'm going to make that due Wednesday. It should actually say Wednesday, November 21st. So I'm going to update that. My apologies. Proficiency, things you need to include are, what is this disease? How many cases are there per year? And how many deaths are caused annually by this disease? You should have learned at this point about communicable versus non-communicable disease. So is it something you can catch, or is it something that's genetic? Is it caused by lifestyle? Is it caused by environment? Causes of the disease would be things like, is it smoking? Is it caused by a lack of exercise? Is it caused by exposure to some sort of pollutant? Be really specific. Symptoms. How do I know I have it? Like if I go to the doctor because I'm not feeling well, what is the doctor going to be looking for? What are the symptoms of this disease? And then what are the treatments or cures? Some diseases don't have cures. We don't have a cure yet, but all diseases have some sort of treatment, at least to help with the symptoms. So think about both treatments and possible cures. Prevention strategies. How do I keep myself from getting this disease? And since we're only studying for this project preventable diseases, they should all have some sort of prevention strategy available. The history of diseases can be really interesting. So I like you to just look through, have there been huge outbreaks? Does it travel through certain populations? Has it sprung up in certain parts of the US or the world? Just interesting history. 3 interesting facts. This is just whatever you find most intriguing about your disease. And then art. I would like drawings, diagrams, anything that visually represents your disease. So those are the major components of this project. It's a fairly big project. It counts for about 500 points, which is the same as about 5 regular assignments. And please feel free to contact me if you have any questions about what you need to do, where you can find supplies for the project, or any other questions. Good luck with it. Try and hop on top of it, because next week we have a second project, and I'll do a separate video about that. But you guys take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.